Emerson Actuation Product Sizing Tools. To access the Actuation Sizing Tools, click Hello Username and My Account. A table with all features is displayed on the left side of the screen. Select Tools to see all the available tools under your account. Select Actuation Technologies price books to access different price books like Scotch Yoke, Rack and Pinion, and Electric. Click on Individual Price Book to download the specific product line price book. Select Global Configuration System to access the pneumatic product tools like Pneumatic Query Actuator Tool, Query Valve Info, Tank Sizing, and CV Operating Speed Calculation. Select ACT Sizing and Selection to size pneumatic and electric products. Select Quick Sizing to access the Pneumatic Quick Sizing tool to quickly size and download product-related documents. Select Knowledge Base to access pneumatic product documentation. To size actuation products, click on ACT Size and Selection. Select Pneumatic or Electric. For this exercise, I will select Pneumatic. Select Operating Environment, Power Source, Valve Type, Actuator Technology, and click Next. Select Actuators and click Next. Enter line number, minimum and maximum pressure, and click on Next. Select Valve Type. Valve Torque and click on Proceed to Sizing. If you have any actuator preference, select specific models or select all models and click on Size. The tool will suggest the model based on your selections. Select the line and the alternate option. And add to cart. You can download torque values by clicking Run Report. Select the line and add to the cart. Click on Refresh the Status to see the updated status in the table below. Keep refreshing the status until the status changes to add it to cart. You can select Print to generate the product documents. Select different reports available under Report section and download the report. Close the report section and click on Finish to go back to the cart page. You can see the product is added to the cart with availability and the price. You can then proceed with checkout or request a quote. To download product documents from the cart page, select Cart Summary Report. The system will send an email to the requester to download the reports, and you can access the reports link from your email and generate the reports. For any questions, please click on Send a Message to reach out to our customer service team, available 24/7.